Hey there, if you're watching this, that means you probably went through a recent hailstorm. Man, I feel for you. I live in the Midwest myself, and I've been through it a time or two. So what that means is that there's a process to get things done. So first off, my name is Frank Sell. I'm the founder of localhailrepair.com. And we've been in this industry nearly 20 years. We've fixed thousands of cars, and we've seen some things that will make the process easier. Because here's what normally happens. Hailstorm comes through, your car gets damaged, and then you and 1,000 other people are calling your insurance agent, and your insurance agent says, you know what, I'll have the insurance adjuster call you and schedule a time to come inspect your car. And typically what happens is either they look at the car outdoors and the lighting is not very good to see all the damages, or they set up a drive-through and just push everybody through. And then when you get your estimate, your insurance estimate, you call up the repair facility and say, hey, I got my car estimated, I want to get it fixed. You bring your car in, bring your estimate, and then we look at the car indoors in proper lighting, and we say, well, the problem is the insurance adjuster missed a few damages on it. And so what happens is we have to call the adjuster back and say, hey, look, you know what, you missed a few things, we see more damage than what you saw, and there's a difference in the money paid. And so then what that does, it extends what we call cycle time. Normally your car comes in on a Monday, we like to have it back to you by Wednesday. But if we have to wait on an insurance adjuster to come out and re-inspect your car, that could extend it for a week. So that means you drop your car off on a Monday, and Wednesday of the next week, your car gets done. Because it had to sit there for 5 or 6 days waiting on the insurance adjuster. And it's understandable, there's a lot of cars during a hailstorm to inspect. And so what we've done is set up this online schedule system where you can click a button below, go look at our calendar and say, hey, I want to bring my car in on Monday at 9 o'clock. And then you can also upload your insurance estimate so that we can see what the damages are paid. When the car comes in, first thing, 9 o'clock Monday morning, we can look at that, we can look at the car and say, you know what, there were some damages that were missed. And have that adjuster meet us there ahead of time. It's already scheduled, already set up. And we can shorten that cycle time up. And so if that's you, if you want to get your car back as quick as possible, make sure that all the repairs are paid for so you have the quality repairs. Because I know you pay, if you're like me, you pay a lot of money for your vehicle. Pay a lot of money in insurance, pay a lot of money for it, gas, tires, all that. You want to maintain the value of your vehicle. And so if you want to do that, then go ahead and hit the button below, pick a time, upload your estimate, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, I'm Frank.